A lot of people didn't know that I am a minimalist. So today is the day that I found a way how you can make your iPhone look minimalist and make it a little more simpler, elegant and clean with this simple little trick which I followed and made my iPhone look like this without the aid of a jailbreak. Since 2013 when iOS 7 was released, Apple just visually overhauled every single thing of iOS, and it's been over 5 years now and we are bored of the same home screen which Apple is giving us even now. And to make it a little more clean, just like Android, I would like you to introduce you guys with some wallpapers that will make your phone look a lot better and clean. So this is the wallpaper that I have applied right now, and it will make your phone look a lot better. I have made these wallpapers myself except for the background, so you can make them for yourself, but I will be linking down 2 of them that I made and it took me around 15 minutes each. So if you really want to make yourself, you can just tinkering around like this. So application on iOS will be Phone2, which is the best for you to download right now. However, I made the second one on Affinity Studios or Affinity by Adobe, and it worked really well. So these will be zipped down and uploaded, and then you can download them from the link below. So this is the simple guide to make your phone look a lot better, and to achieve this simple look, all you need is to place your dialer just like me on the top left of the dock, just because it is an iPhone and it is the most useful app and it needs to be accessed really quickly. And then put all other apps according to categories and categorize them in 3 different folders so you can only have them on your dock and doesn't mess around with anything else. So one thing that I really forgot to mention is that even if you don't put any icon in your front home screen of your iOS device, it will stay there even without playing any blank icon. Try that for yourself. Lastly, the widget I only use is live subs, which will be also linked in the description. So if you like mine, you can achieve the same look for your iPhone X, and this can also work on the older iPhone. This is just revealing your creativity and showing on your phone and just making your phone a little more clean, minimalistic as I said before, or make it the way you want. So for me, this is the perfect look I was going for, and this is nothing but just a picture, so it is not live weather widget, and the text written is in the wallpaper, so it may not change. And the date I put in the wallpaper is because I have the project saved, so I can change every day just the date itself and rock with this wallpaper every day. So thanks for me in this video. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button for more videos like this. I'm trying really hard to upload a new video every single day, but I just cannot. So please help me by subscribing and liking and commenting on this video if you really like it. My name is Iris, this is Apple Now, and I am signing out.